Are you looking to lose weight, or do you want to cut your calorie intake? Well, the good news is it's easy. All you have to do is follow our simple 500 calorie meal plan, and you'll be on your way to losing 1 to 2 pounds per week. You are also in luck because that's what we are talking about today in our video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. How does the 500 calorie meal plan work? A 500 calorie diet is also referred to as a shock or VLCD diet. So, how does a shock diet work? The basic principle is simple. Lower your caloric intake below your body's resting metabolic rate, and your body will have no choice but to burn fat. The problem is that most people who try this method fail because they cannot stick with the restrictions in their diets. What are the considerations to be made when making a 500 calorie meal plan? If you have already decided to try the 500 calorie meal plan, here is what you need to keep in mind. 1. The meal plan has to be balanced, and it has to include all the essential nutrients. 2. The meal plan has to be such that it will be easy for the dieter to prepare and follow. 3. The dieter should be encouraged to stay active and exercise. 4. The dieter must drink plenty of water and avoid carbonated drinks, alcohol, coffee, and tea. 5. The dieter should keep track of their weight loss progress daily. It is essential to realize that a 500 calorie meal plan is not for everyone. The diet should only be followed by overweight people. This is because the plan can lead to undernourishment and other health problems. This meal plan should never be followed without the supervision of a doctor or nutritionist. Who can get on the 500 calorie meal plan? The 500 calorie meal plan is an excellent solution for losing weight and improving health. You will likely experience a drop in weight early on as your body adjusts to its new eating habits. This will most likely be accompanied by a drop in overall energy levels. Just keep in mind that while you might feel fatigued at first, you will likely find the energy levels increasing after the first few weeks. Who is it not for? If you have any medical condition, such as diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, kidney disease, hormonal problems, or are on medication of any kind, please consult your doctor before starting any diet or exercise program. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, please do not start any diet or exercise program without consulting your doctor. The program is also not suitable for persons under the age of 18. Following a 500 calorie meal plan takes commitment. Besides the calorie restriction, you should eat healthy foods for optimal health. You'll need to make time for planning, shopping, and cooking. These steps may be challenging if you have a busy lifestyle or lack experience with healthy cooking. What are the benefits of the 500 calorie meal plan? If you are wondering what benefits you stand to gain while on this meal plan, here are some of the most notable ones. It can help you lose weight. The 500 calorie diet is an extreme form of a very low calorie diet, VLCD. Since it requires you to drastically reduce the amount of food you eat, you will certainly lose weight. It could help improve your blood sugar levels. One study found that after following a very low calorie diet, participants improved insulin sensitivity by 50% compared with those who followed a calorie restricted diet. It may increase your metabolic rate. Very low-calorie diets may cause severe metabolic changes that can raise your metabolic rate by up to 10% for as long as 24 hours after eating meals. Here's a sample of a 5-day, 500-calorie meal plan. Day 1 breakfast: a glass of yogurt with a pear. Lunch: 4 ounces of chicken breast with chopped celery. Dinner: grilled salmon fillet with broccoli rice. Day 2 breakfast: half cup oatmeal in 1 cup non-fat milk. Lunch: 2 ounces water-packed tuna served with 1/4 cup low-fat mayonnaise. Dinner: broiled lean beef served with steamed spinach. Day 3 breakfast: 2 eggs with half an avocado. Lunch: chicken breast with spinach and sweet potato. Dinner: pork chops with broccoli and brown rice. Day 4 breakfast: Greek yogurt with blueberries. Lunch: cauliflower pizza bites. Dinner: celery sticks with hummus. Day 5 breakfast: 1 serving maple walnut granola. Lunch: 1 serving turkey, bean, and spinach salad. Dinner: baked lamb and mashed rutabaga. Well, that's all we had for you today. What do you think about the 500-calorie meal plan? Is it sustainable? Let us know in the comments section. Please also like the video and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see similar content. See you in the next video.